Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob Ïing jongpi.
Sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Ba Preston Tensong Ulaong Ba On Patla Bansei Ya ka Kaiphod Tok Halor ka Jingyap Jong Nong Elam Berem ka Agency Ba Cherish the Field Thank you Kat Bompatra Ïing Dorbar Thawang Kejela Hadin ka Jingya Kenduk Berka Kunhun ka Sur ka Briu Nyotrem Uba Preston Ulaong Ba ya ka Kaiphod Anra ka Dorbar Senrai ka Bansalong ha ka Kandai Trik Unai Lur Mentau Snem Ula Kerpat Iki Kunhun Ba Per Ba Kin Yai Syak Namar Bahab Banyat Kat Kum Ki Kendon Jong ka Aj
They wanted that the report be made public immediately, but ultimately I explained to them all the details where we have to be guided by the Act, by the guidelines, by the rules. Then I told them the inquiry commission report has to be first of all placed on the table of the House. And thereafter, from that very day itself, it will become a public property. It will be in the public domain. So I told them, please wait because the autumn session will start from 9th of September. And BAC next week we will sit down, we'll work out the business of the session. But it is confirmed that the session will start from the 9th, and on that very same day itself, the report will be placed on the table of the House. So I requested all of them, please have a patience a little bit, and till such time is rich, you will be known all the details and detailed reports of the commission appointed by the state government. Please don't get confused. Judicial Inquiry Commission and an inquiry committee is different altogether. So the commission is being guided by the Act. There is a standing guidelines, rules of the Commission's Act. So therefore, we are being guided by that. As far as the particular case is concerned, relating to the death of late Cherish Ïing. During this upcoming session, which is to be held on the 9th of this month. I think this must be the fastest one. Because see, from the government side, MDA government, we are committed, we are sincere enough to make sure that the report is submitted, and not only that, the report has to be placed in the table of the House. I think this is the fastest report to be laid in the floor of the House and also to be made it public. Under different book, one is commission. When you talk about commission, we are being guided by the Commission Act. And when we said committee, means committee is up to the state government. Ultimately, that is the different issue. But when you ask me about the report of this particular instant case, it is very clear. We have to place it on the table of the House first, and thereafter it will be made public. This is similar to CAG report. Even CAG report, we cannot make it public until it is laid on the table of the House. From day one, because series of meetings were held during that time. So from the government side, we have already told all the concerned stakeholders, all the traditional heads of the Malay town Dorbar, we already told them, let us have patience, let the commission report be submitted to the government, then whatever recommendation which is made by the commission, then government will take action accordingly as per the recommendation. Really does not arise. I think about 2 or 3 times we extended we extended the term of this commission. And that also not because of the government tactic to delay. In fact, it is because of the commission chairman himself who sought extension. And you know, the hearing of these type of cases, it takes a lot of time. Sometimes the witnesses are not free. When they are not free, then he has to extend the date. So these are the procedures where, you know, practically we need to also understand and we need to also accept it. That's why I requested them, I convinced them, please be patient. Because I've already told them also on the 9th session will start, autumn session starts. So please be patient. You've been waiting for so many months. So it's a matter of just maybe 1 month or below 1 month from today's.